All right, welcome to March 2020 on Spray Paint Art Secrets. We've got some amazing stuff for you this month. I am painting with water-based spray paint on Yupo paper, but these effects will work for you whatever kind of paint you are using. There's even a painting that can be done with just regular acrylics and spray paint art techniques. So to get started, we're doing a big blue wave. And I go over what the materials are when you're painting with water-based paint and how to do it with solvent-based paint. So you can do the exact same thing, the exact same effects with the different kinds of paint. And we'll go over how to quickly draw a wave, how to add the foam, the tools you need to make the spray on the wave, all kinds of cool stuff. So whatever kind of painter you are, give it a try. So if these techniques are new to you, feel free to go to spraypaintartsecrets.com and download a free lesson, which we have just waiting for you. So after we study how to paint waves, we're going to do some classic landscape techniques. And I'm using a new tool that members have directions about how to make a lot of the foliage. This year, every year we have new stuff, and this is one of the particularly cool little pieces of information. I don't know if you've seen the spray paint art videos by painters in Italy. They usually do landscapes, and they have this really interesting looking tool, which I've been trying to figure out for years, and we have it all demonstrated and explained inside the membership area. And this month's painting, several of them use that tool to create all kinds of landscape effects. Now this painting, this pink landscape painting, you can do with just regular acrylic paint. The only thing that is sprayed here is the sky, and you can easily do that with a paintbrush. Everything else is done with a whole bunch of really interesting spray paint art tools, things that you might find at the hardware store or the department store. And we go over how to make different kinds of foliage and how to speed paint landscapes and waterfalls. As always, if you have any questions or thoughts you want to share, my name is Elisa Amor, and you can email me directly at spraypaintartsecrets@gmail.com. All right, so when we finish our landscape, we're going to move on and do some really interesting galaxy painting techniques using stencils, but not in the traditional way. I've gotten questions from students on whether I think it's okay to use stencils, and what I say is, yeah, sure, use everything, but really explore it, use it in new ways, develop new ways of using it. So stencils are fun, you know, just don't lean on them like a crutch. Explore them, use them for textures on different objects. And in this video, we're going to explore moving stencils while we use them to see what happens. And what happens is amazing galaxy effects. And then we're going to paint a city with an exploding transformer. Why not? Why the hell not, right? I'm going to show you how to alternate between using spray paint techniques and using some other techniques that blend in perfectly with the spray paint art techniques. So whatever kind of artist you are, if there was a way that you could imagine using some of these techniques in your artwork, what would it be? Because these are some really cool things that you could add to your ability to paint and to create scenes quickly out of nowhere and to have fun. That's the most important thing. Really focus on having fun with this style of artwork. I hope you've enjoyed these previews. All of these videos will be available in the Spray Paint Art Secrets membership area for all members during March, and for gold members forever. As always, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, my name is Elisa. spraypaintartsecrets@gmail.com is my email. Hope you've enjoyed these previews. Ciao.